In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Forms. Printing a Google form might sound straightforward, but there are some handy tips to ensure your document looks professional and is formatted correctly. So, let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Google Forms. Locate the form you want to print by navigating to Google Drive, where all your forms are stored. Once you find it, simply double-click to open. It's important to ensure that your form is fully completed and exactly how you want it to appear on paper. Now that you have your form open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a vertical ellipsis icon, often referred to as More, represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your form. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Print. This is your gateway to creating a physical copy of your form. Click on Print, and a print preview window will pop up, showing a rendering of your form as it would appear on paper. Take a moment to review this preview carefully. It gives you an opportunity to catch any layout issues or missing parts that may not translate well from a digital to a physical format. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, it's time to set up your printing specifications. Before clicking that final print confirmation button, make sure to check your printer settings. This includes selecting the correct printer and ensuring that you have enough paper and ink. It might sound basic, but running out of ink halfway through your print job can be frustrating. In the print settings, you can also customize options such as the number of copies you want and the range of pages, in case you need only specific pages of your form. Don't forget to check if your printer settings align with your format preferences, such as portrait or landscape mode, to avoid any unwanted paper wastage. Once you've confirmed that all settings are correctly configured and your preview looks perfect, go ahead and press the Print button. Your printer will start churning out pages, bringing your digital form to life on paper. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on it for the first few pages to ensure it's printing the way you intended. To sum up, printing a Google form should be a smooth and straightforward process when you follow these steps. Always verify your settings and preview, and in no time, you'll be holding your beautifully printed form in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions you might have in the comments below, and happy printing!